In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain on SiteGround. Whether you're switching web hosts or transferring domain ownership, knowing how to do this smoothly is essential. Let's dive right into the process step by step. First off, we'll need to head over to the SiteGround website. You can do this by typing SiteGround into your favorite search engine or directly entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Upon reaching the website, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on login to proceed. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, so don't worry. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard where you can manage all your SiteGround services. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the My SiteGround account section. This is where you can access all the key features of your SiteGround account, including your websites, domains, and other services you might have. The next thing to do is to click on the Websites tab. This tab provides a comprehensive overview of all the websites you have hosted on SiteGround. From this section, you can manage each site's settings, access the control panel, or initiate specific actions like the domain transfer we're working on today. Within the websites section, look for the website associated with the domain you want to transfer. Next to the website listing, you'll find a small icon with 3 dots, often referred to as an options or action menu. Clicking on this icon will reveal additional options related to your website's management. Among these options, one will say transfer ownership. Clicking on this will initiate the transfer process. At this point, you'll need to follow any on-screen instructions provided by SiteGround to complete your domain transfer. Typically, this involves entering the new owner's information and confirming the transfer. It's crucial to ensure that the information provided is accurate, as errors can lead to delays or issues with the transfer. Once the necessary details are completed and verified, have a final check of all entries to make sure everything is correct before submitting the request. After submitting, SiteGround will process the transfer, and you'll receive confirmation once the process is completed. The time it takes can vary, so be patient and keep an eye on your email or account notifications for updates. And there you have it, you've successfully initiated a domain transfer on SiteGround. Remember, managing domains can seem daunting at first, but with practice it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on domain transfers. Have a great day.